Hello and welcome to my workshop today. I've been expecting some bits and pieces to come from Harley Davidson for my bike, and this has just arrived. I don't know whether all the things that I want are in it, but let's have a look and see what we got. Right, so what have we here? So that's the back plate of my sissy bar. I'll open these in a minute, see what's in there. There's the little parcel shelf that goes on the back of it. Little luggage rack. There's a chuckle that over there, what's a knife? Tidy all that up later. Right, so this is little oil dipstick with a temperature gauge. So on the bike it comes as standard with a little chrome cover for the dipstick. This has just got a little temperature gauge in it. So what's that? Right, so this is my new air filter. So the bike comes standard with obviously with a set of chrome exhausts, and what I had was a stage 1 engine management kit, air filter and a big radius exhaust fitted, but they never had the air filter. So there's the air filter that I got fit with all the fitting kit. So that should be good. What's this? It's like Christmas, isn't it? I love all this. This has all come from Sykes in Sussex, the Harley Davidson dealership that I bought the bike from. And the reason that they've had to send it to me was there's been worldwide issues with Harley Davidson spares. They changed their spares system or something and it caused problems. So when I picked the bike up, there was all the bits and pieces that I'd ordered hadn't been fitted, and with the lockdown they're very happy to install all this for me, but with the lockdown we didn't know when it was going to when they'd be able to do it, so I asked them to send it to me so I can fit it all. Right, so that's the back plate to the air filter. We're getting very crowded here. And there's more. is quite light, so I've got an idea this is the back pad that goes on the sissy bar. Yeah. So that's just the back pad that goes on the back of the sissy bar with all the fittings. And then the last thing that I got here so, and this is the bracket that holds the sissy bar onto the bike. So that's most of the stuff that I've ordered. There's a couple of, oh no, there's one more box here. Alright, so this is my flush mounting fuel cap. So normally with a bike you get a proud fuel cap. This one sinks down and is nice and flush, so we'll fit that as well. So the only thing that I haven't got is engine guard that I ordered, so that hasn't come yet. Whether that's coming later or not, I don't know, so I'll drop an email and see where that is. But otherwise, it's all good. Right, so this is all the stuff I got from Harley Davidson today. And what I'm going to do now is a few videos of me installing it on the bike. So, great time, I can't wait. So, until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.